Hi, interpersonal relationships problems. My name is Matilde Lina Renteria, social work 8th semester, English 5. In the video, the main interpersonal problem is poor communication between the couple, which quickly leads to unnecessary arguments. We can observe this when they begin fighting about very small issues, but instead of listening to each other, they interrupt, blame, and exaggerate. Their emotions escalate, and the conflict becomes much bigger than it needs to be. This shows that the real problem is not the topic of the argument, but how they communicate. My first proposed solution is to use assertive communication strategy. This includes active listening, using I statements to express feelings without blaming the partner, and taking a short pause before responding during tense moments. Both partners need to participate. This solution helps reduce emotional escalation and create a calmer, more respectful dynamic. The second solution is to create a structured conflict resolution plan. This means choosing a specific moment to talk, setting rules such as no yelling or interrupting, and focusing on one problem at a time. This method helps the couple approach disagreement more logically, allowing them to find real solutions instead of repeating the same argument over and over. Thanks.